Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use body frame effects on Instagram. This popular feature allows you to add fun and artistic frames directly around people in your photos or videos. It's a fantastic way to make your content stand out and add a unique touch before sharing with your friends and followers. Let's dive into the simple steps to get started. To begin, open your Instagram app and navigate to the camera by tapping the plus icon and selecting Story or Reel. Swipe through the effect tray until you see the Browse Effects icon, which resembles a magnifying glass. Tap this icon, then use the search bar at the top. Type in body frame to explore a wide array of available effects. Once you've found an effect you like, simply tap on it to apply it to your camera view. Position yourself or your subject so the frame aligns perfectly. Many body frame effects offer customization options. Look for small icons or sliders to adjust colors, patterns, or frame styles. Take your time to experiment and find the ideal look for your photo or video. After applying and customizing your body frame effect, simply tap the capture button to take your photo or record your video. Once captured, you can save the content directly to your phone's gallery for later use. Then, share your newly framed masterpiece to your Instagram story, post it as a reel, or send it privately through direct message. Enjoy creating and sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.